Escape to a charming property on 23 acres featuring a meticulously maintained home, partially climate controlled barn, 1 acre pond, and in ground pool. The main home boasts a primary suite and laundry room on the main level, plus a second living quarters with kitchen and great room. With recent updates including a new roof, HVAC, and water tank, this property is move-in ready. Enjoy the peaceful surroundings, woods, trails, and creek, all while being close to shopping and interstates with low county taxes. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.